Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to delete your Tinder account. So Tinder is a free mobile dating app that matches you with the singles in your area. Tinder basically launched the location-based dating app craze back in 2012, and it's still the most popular dating app in the US. For the reason alone, if you are single, Tinder is definitely worth using. But if you have had any problems regarding Tinder and you wanna delete it, not to worry, now we are back with the process or procedure on how to delete Tinder account. So let's get started. First of all, tap on the icon of Tinder. Now click on your icon. Now click on the settings. Now scroll down at the last and click on delete account option. Now here you will get two options, and again click on delete my account. You can skip this. Now again tap on delete my account. So this is how Tinder will be deleted. And if you found the video to be useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you have any queries, put it down in the comment section. We'll see you on next video. Till then, goodbye.